Hello, would you please open up your geometry packet and turn to page 2 in your geometry vocabulary terminology sheet. We have two that we want to define today, and the first word is congruent. Two figures are congruent if the measurements and the shape are the same. So in other words, if I had two line segments, which we're going to draw, and we'll call this line segment AB, and we'll call the next one line segment CD. If these were both the same measurement, meaning say they're both 2 centimeters or 1 centimeter, whatever they happen to measure, then we would say line segment AB, and this, if you recall this high right line segment, is congruent to, and it looks like a little equal sign with a tilde, line segment CD. We could do the same thing with angles. We could say the measurement of angle 1 is congruent to the measurement of angle 2. So the next terminology we need to discuss for this next lesson is complementary angles. And complementary angles are pair two of angles whose measurements add to 90. So if I have two angles whose measurement adds up to 90, then they're considered complementary. So we'll just sketch some angles here. And in fact, the most common to starting would be to have a 90-degree angle. So we already know this is 90 degrees. And if I have a ray coming from it, if this is angle 2 and this is angle 1, we would say that angle 1, the measurement of angle 1, plus the measurement of angle 2 equals 90 degrees, because we can see the total, the outside we stated was 90 degrees. So the interior angles would also be 90 degrees. So now let's go on to our lesson.